Are you considering joining a gym? It could be the best decision for your health and well-being. Regular workouts can improve heart health, boost metabolism, and build muscle strength, helping you create a stronger and more resilient body. But the benefits of exercise don't stop there. Working out releases endorphins, natural chemicals in your brain that can reduce stress, improve mood, and combat anxiety and depression. Mentally, you'll feel more focused, energized, and positive. The gym also provides a sense of community surrounded by others with similar health goals, keeping you motivated and accountable. With access to trainers, classes, and new equipment, it's easier to stay on track. Over time, you'll experience real results, like better sleep, increased confidence, and a healthier lifestyle. Your health is your greatest asset, so why wait? Start today, and your future self will thank you. Joining a gym can truly transform your life.